Well, just trying to accurately predict next week's weather can be a challenge, and impossible to predict how many tropical storms and hurricanes are going to happen and then make landfall in the next several months ahead. Nonetheless, the national weather experts do try to do this, and SNN's chief meteorologist Justin Mosley joins us again to take a look at the tropical weather predictions as he continues his special series looking at Charley. In the 10 years since it's happened, what we've learned since then.
That's right, Mike. The definition of prediction is a statement about what might happen in the future when it comes to tropical weather. We need some definition and also a little history. A review of tropical weather history and prediction shows some successes and some misses. Last year, the forecast called for 7 to 18 named storms, up to 9 hurricanes, and only 2 developed. In 2005, 12 to 13 named storms were predicted, 28 developed, and 15 into hurricanes. It was the most active hurricane season ever, including Hurricanes Wilma and Katrina. Part of the science behind this year's predictions are found in water temperatures here in the Atlantic. Right now, water is cooler than normal off the African coast, where storms such as Charley in 2004 and Andrew in 1992 first developed. The cooler water denies the storm energy to develop until it reaches the warmer waters of the Caribbean. Conclusion, expect fewer named storms and fewer hurricanes this year. You also hear about El Niño, a term given to warm waters in the Pacific. This phenomenon that is now developing has the effect of causing wind shear high in the atmosphere that cuts off the top of hurricanes as they try to mature in the tropics. Conclusion, fewer major hurricanes. Dr. Phil Klotzbach looks at recent history.
So the big question is, are we moving out of that active era? At this point, I think it's too early to be sure, but that's something certainly we're going to be monitoring. The tropical Atlantic has cooled somewhat the last couple of years compared to what it had been previously. So we are certainly going to be paying attention, because there is that possibility that perhaps this active era is coming to an end.
The latest forecast for the 2014 hurricane season was issued on June 2nd. Colorado state forecasters predict 10 named storms, 4 hurricanes, and 1 major storm. A tropical storm has wind speeds of at least 39 miles per hour. A hurricane wind speeds are grouped in categories, ranging from Category 1 with winds of 74 miles per hour to Category 5 with winds at least 156 miles per hour. While some say hurricane predictions are educated guesses, statistics and history offer facts. On average, there will be 12 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. That is a fact, not a prediction. And as such, you should be prepared with all the emergency supplies needed to stay or go if a hurricane is predicted to be headed our way this year. Once a hurricane or a tropical storm forms, are they more intense or powerful? Tomorrow I'll take a look at part 4 of the series, and that's tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and investigate those questions. So
that reminds me, I need to invest in a generator, a portable generator.
That's a part of preparation. Yeah. Preparation is the key, and a great way to get prepared is to check out the Herald-Tribune SNN 2014 Hurricane Guide. You can pick this up at any of the Herald-Tribune offices in Manatee, Sarasota, or Charlotte counties.